Hey there, All Things MSP crew. So thanks to Wayne Stanley for in the I'm Getting Old department post of the 3.5-inch floppy drive. Well, actually it wasn't a drive, it was a disk. But anyway, for those of you who are maybe a little bit older than 3.5-inch floppy drives, maybe I got something for you. Seen one of these recently? And no, this is not a 5.25 inch that I'm holding close to the camera so that, you know, it looks bigger. No. Hold on. This is an honest to goodness 8-inch floppy disk. I don't even know where I got it. Somehow it ended up in, you know, all the stuff I've collected over the years. Anyway, 3.5 inch? No. This is old. So just like floppy disks, the IT industry is evolving as well. You know, in terms of the technology, we're moving farther and farther away from magnetic media every single day. And so what are you doing to evolve your IT business to keep up with today's economy? So companies like Netflix and Uber have evolved through a variety of different things. But one of the things that you see a lot in these successful companies is their ability to remove friction from the relationship between their company, their services, and the customer. Take Netflix for an example. Netflix gives you the ability to watch premium video content on almost any device that has a screen. A TV, a smartphone, a tablet, or your computer. So just like Netflix removes friction from you being able to watch videos, as an IT service provider, you want to remove the friction that your customers perceive between you, your services, and them. They just want to use their computers. They want to have access to their data, and they want to be able to do it whenever and wherever they want to. In addition to the delivery of your IT services, the pricing of your IT services matters. And it's not just the pricing, but the packaging as well. So I think most of us can agree that business customers in general want some type of low monthly fee that's predictable so they can manage their cash flow better and they don't have as many surprises. But also, they don't care about a menu of services that you might want to provide to them. They don't care how the cake gets baked. They just want cake. So think about how you can package, position, whatever, your services to make less friction between you and your customer. It'll make it easier to sell and onboard new customers, as well as it'll make it easier to keep your existing customers long term. And as I've said before, long-term value of the customer or lifetime value of the customer is the most important thing. You'll be a more profitable, more successful IT services provider if you can keep customers long-term, and as you're doing that, grow your efficiencies so that your profit margin widens. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you dislike this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. But as I've said before, if you hit dislike, make sure that you're commenting down below so I know how to improve these for the future. If you want to see more of these, go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you ring the bell to be notified when I post more videos. Thanks. Have a great day. Let's crush this thing. See ya. Why does the air conditioning always have to come on at exactly the time I want to record a video? The cat keeps moving the camera because he's rubbing up against the tripod. I can't make this stuff up.